obtain the solution of sine of 30 minus sine of 60 degrees divided by tan 60 without using table or calculator. So to do that, you construct an equilateral triangle of sine 2, 2, and 1 unit as shown here. Then an equilateral triangle will have 60 degrees each angle. This angle here will be 30 degrees. Then sine of 30 degrees will be equal to opposite, which is 1, divided by hypotenuse, which is 2. Then sine of 60 degrees will be given by opposite, which is root 3 divided by 2. We have obtained root 3 by Pythagoras theorem, whereby we have 2 squared, which is 4, minus 1, which is 3, then square root to get root 3. Then tan of 60 degrees will be given by opposite, which is root 3, of adjacent, which is 1. Then you come here and substitute. So instead of sine 30, you substitute with half minus root 3 divided by 2, everything divided by root 3. So the numerator, you can relate the numerator to the same denominator, whereby you have LCM of 2 and 2 is 2, so you have 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1 times root 3 is root 3. Everything divided by root 3 over 1. When you divide a number by, when you are dividing a number, you can change the division into multiplication by using the reciprocal. So reciprocal of root 3 over 1 is 1 over root 3. So we shall have 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 3. 2 root 3. So you can leave your answer like that, or you simplify it as follows. So you can multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2 root 3. 2 root 3 are shown here. So multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2 root 3. In the numerator, we are going to have 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 squared divided by 2 root 3 squared. So that now we shall have 2 root 3 minus root 3 squared is 3. 3 times 2 is 6 divided by 4. Root 3 squared is 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 2 root 3 minus 6 divided by 4 times 3 is 12, which can be written as root 3 minus 3 divided by 6. After dividing by 2. So by 2, you will have 1 there. Negative 6 by 2 is negative 3. 12 by 2 is 6. So that is how you can simplify that equation without using mathematical table or calculator, by simply constructing an equilateral triangle as shown here of sine 2, 2. Then you divide it into at the center, whereby now this angle will be 30, the other angle 30, and this side will be 1 and 1. Then you obtain the height by Pythagoras theorem, whereby you have 2 squared, which is 4 minus 1, 3, root of 3 there. Then you write sine that as the opposite, which is 1, over hypotenuse, which is 2. And the sine sister is the opposite. The opposite is root 3 divided by the opposite, the hypotenuse, which is 2. Then tan sister is opposite, which is root 3 over adjacent, which is 1. And then you come here and substitute. Instead of sine that, you write here half. Instead of sine sister, root 3 over 2. And instead of tan sister, you write it as root 3. Then numerator can be written with the same LCM as 1 minus root 3 over 2 divided by root 3. So, which is this value here. Then you can multiply by 2 root 3, both the numerator and the denominator, as shown here. So that now you will have 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 squared, which we have obtained. It is 2 times 3, which is 6. At the denominator, we have 2 times 2 is 4. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. And when you simplify, you obtain this. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. For more such learning, tune on to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, kindly consider to subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified whenever there is a new release. And also remember to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us now and then. Bye bye for now. See you in the next study.